What is Brahma Yajna? Brahma Yajna is the last among the five Mahayajnas. Brahma, in this sense, is the wisdom that is handed over to our generation from the previous generation, and it has passed on to many generations since time immemorial. How do you preserve that knowledge and wisdom, be it our scriptural knowledges or probably the many epics such as Mahabharata, Ramayana, Puranas, Vedas, Shastras? Without a revision, all of them are bound to get lapsed. Hence, the Veda prescribes conduct of Brahma Yajna as one of the very important features of our routine. It says, even if you chant one mantra, that will essentially and invariably that will please the deities, propitiate the deities. Yadruchodhite pagasah kulya asya pitrons fadha abhivahanti. Just sit in your puja room. Actually, conduct of Brahma Yajna should be outside the home, outside the dwellings. Even it says achadar darshaha. When you do not see any house, you go as far as possible. Because revision of the great knowledge and wisdom should be without any distraction. That is the philosophy. But whatever it is, you have to upkeep your wisdom and knowledge that you have acquired over the years. And you should never forget any of the lessons that you have learnt in your life. And preservation of the scriptural knowledge is essential in your life. Hence, every day make it a practice to recite one mantra, two mantra, or at least one mantra. That's what the Vedas say. Ekam, at least one mantra. Never fail to, even if you are sick, never fail to recite at least one mantra in your life. That is the essence of Brahma Yajna. And Brahma Yajna is another important ritual for the reason that it is conferring the status of Yajna. There are two important elements in the conduct of Yajna, which is called the Vidyut and Vrishti Smarana. Remembering the Vidyut and Vrishti deities. What is Vidyut and what is Vrishti? We should understand it. Everyone has a tendency to commit some sin at some point. Especially the tendency increases when there is no one to check us or in the face of any adversity. If you are alone, no one is there to check us. Probably we will be tempted to commit a sin. Even if you are not harming others, if you are failing in your duty, that itself constitutes a sin. Similarly, when you are facing an adversity, conduct of a dharma or a merit, if it seems little difficult, then the first urge in us would be to overcome the righteousness or just ignore it. That would be a tendency. Hence, the Vidyut and Vrishti are the deities that are important to ward off the sins. Whenever you are doing the Vidyut Vrishti Smarana, you are reminded that your heart, and that means your mind, and your Vak. Vak is the speech. Speech and mind, both should be pure. This remembrance is another facet of Brahma Yajna. Thus, Brahma Yajna, being the last one, is one among the important features of our daily life. Brahma Yajna. Jai Guru Datta.